Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, Yebin?
Good.
So what do you want to do today?
I want to draw Hello Kitty.
Yay! Are you going to show us how to draw it?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. All right, let's get started. Yay! Going to draw the eyes and the nose. Ready? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. That is so pretty. Next, we're going to draw the flower on her head. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead. Wow, that is such a beautiful flower. The next step is we're going to draw her face and her ears. Ready? All right, go ahead. Wow, that is such a beautiful face. Next, we're going to draw whiskers on her face. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That is amazing. Now next, we're going to draw her body and her legs. Yes, wow, she's pretty tall. Now let's go ahead and draw her arms. That is awesome. Wow, what a pretty Hello Kitty you drew. Great job. Are you ready to color? Nice. So what colors are you going to use today?
Orange.
Okay, so there's orange. Any other colors?
Pink.
There's pink, okay.
Red.
Red, okay. And
Blue.
blue, nice. What do you want to color with orange?
And the face.
Okay. great job. So what do you want to color next?
Blue.
Okay. What about the other arm? That's a really nice color.
He's wearing a jacket, Papa.
Ah, he's wearing a jacket. Love it.
Now, over here, I put pink boat.
So it's gonna be a pink shirt? That'll be nice. So what are you gonna color next?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. So she will have pink shirt and pink pants? Ooh. So it's not just the pink, but it's gonna be the colors of rainbow, huh? Nice. That's really pretty.
Not done yet. Now again, orange.
I love it. Wow, so colorful.
Now pink. That would be so pretty. Again.
So she's not wearing a long pants, but she's wearing short pants.
아빠, 난 저기 안에도 그릴래. 아빠도 그릴래.
Okay, sure.
Pink and blue, pink, red and blue and pink, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Red. Two. Red. Orange. Orange. Rainbow pink. Almost there.
Almost there. Hey! Wow, what a beautiful drawing. What did you draw again?
Had a kiwi.
And what colors did you use?
Orange, red, pink, and a rainbow stripe.
Was it fun? Do you want to do it again? Awesome.